Burkina Faso under Ibrahim Traoré is not slowing down. 60,000 secondary school graduates across the country have recently embarked on a groundbreaking national initiative known as the Obligatory Patriotic Immersion. This month-long program, which is designed to prepare the country's youth to actively contribute to national defense and unity, marks a new chapter in Burkina Faso's response to the ongoing challenges it faces. It represents the country's commitment to fostering a generation grounded in civic responsibility and national pride amid a turbulent period. The bold initiative was launched by Captain Ibrahim Traoré to instill young Burkinabe with a deep understanding of their country's values and the skills necessary to defend their homeland. The program is compulsory for all students poised to take their baccalaureate exams in the 2025 academic year, and successful completion will earn them a certificate required for university admission, effectively making this patriotic training an essential step in the educational journey. Burkina Faso's Education Ministry explains that the program will unfold over 30 days within a strict boarding environment, isolating participants from visits by parents and friends to foster focus and discipline.
Bonjour. Je suis très ému ce matin de vous voir et de comprendre qu'en 10 jours, vous avez appris beaucoup de valeurs civiques, patriotiques et militaires. Félicitations à vous. Je suis très content que vous ayez pu prendre 10 jours de vos vacances, d'apprendre quelque chose de pratique et aussi des valeurs. C'est très important pour nous et je peux vous dire que vous êtes la première promotion d'une petite partie d'un large programme qui doit bientôt intéresser tout notre système éducatif. Et nous espérons que l'année prochaine, nous pourrons commencer ce programme. Il est très important pour nous de vous préparer. Vous êtes l'avenir de notre nation. Aujourd'hui, le Burkina est en guerre, mais la guerre finira bientôt et c'est vous qui bâtirez notre pays. Personne ne viendra d'ailleurs pour le bâtir. C'est à vous, c'est votre responsabilité de construire le pays. Et il fallait qu'on vous prépare dès maintenant. Il est d'autant vrai que notre devoir est de vous voir grandir dans de très bonnes conditions, que vous puissiez manger à votre faim, que vous puissiez étudier convenablement dans un environnement sain et sécurisé, mais aussi l'impérieux pour nous de vous préparer à ce que vous ne soyez pas des hommes faibles demain. Parce que si vous êtes dans l'opulence et que vous ne comprenez pas les réalités de la vie, vous pourrez être des hommes faibles et les hommes faibles créent forcément des temps de guerre encore. Nous ne souhaitons pas ça pour vous et voilà pourquoi nous devons vous préparer à affronter la vie.
The curriculum blends theoretical knowledge with physical and sporting activities, designed not only to build resilience and teamwork, but also to deepen understanding of Burkina Faso's history, culture, and the values of civic duty. The training encompasses lessons on national unity, leadership, and conflict resolution, seeking to empower the youth with tools to actively participate in community building. Recognizing the diverse needs of its population, the program includes exemptions for pregnant mothers and women breastfeeding children under the age of 2, reflecting a thoughtful approach to inclusivity and support for young women. Looking ahead, the government plans to broaden this patriotic immersion beyond secondary school leavers preparing for university, extending it to those with lower secondary education certificates and professional qualifications. This expansion signals a vision to cultivate patriotism and civic engagement across all layers of youth in Burkina Faso. The backdrop to this ambitious program is Burkina Faso's complex security landscape. Since 2015, the nation has grappled with jihadist violence linked to extremist groups such as Al-Qaeda and the Islamic State. These armed groups have spread instability throughout the Sahel region, posing significant threats to peace and development. Despite the challenges, the ruling junta has pledged unwavering determination to restore security and stability. Captain Ibrahim Traoré and his administration are working to unify the country's efforts against these threats, and the Patriotic Immersion Program is part of a broader strategy to galvanize national solidarity and resilience. The insurgency has tragically resulted in the loss of more than 26,000 lives, including civilians and soldiers, with over half of these deaths occurring in the past 3 years alone. Yet, amid adversity, the people of Burkina Faso continue to demonstrate remarkable courage and determination. The nation's youth, in particular, are being called upon to become not only defenders of their homeland, but also ambassadors of peace and progress. Community leaders, educators, and families have expressed cautious optimism about the initiative, seeing it as a chance to reinforce positive values and equip young people with the skills to navigate and overcome current challenges. The program is also envisioned as a pathway for building bridges among diverse ethnic and social groups within the country, fostering a collective identity rooted in shared history and aspirations. The patriotic immersion includes rigorous physical training aimed at building endurance, discipline, and teamwork, qualities essential for both personal growth and national defense. Sporting activities such as drills, obstacle courses, and group exercises promote camaraderie and resilience. On the theoretical side, participants engage in seminars and workshops covering topics like civic education, human rights, history of Burkina Faso, and the importance of unity in diversity. While the immersion is structured and disciplined, it also incorporates moments for reflection and dialogue, encouraging students to express their thoughts and concerns about the nation's future. This balanced approach aims to develop not only strong citizens but also thoughtful leaders who understand the complexities of governance, peace-building, and social cohesion. International observers and educational experts have noted the uniqueness of Burkina Faso's approach in integrating civic education with physical training under such pressing circumstances. The program is being closely watched as a potential model for other countries grappling with similar security and societal challenges. The government's plan to issue certificates upon completion also highlights the importance of formal recognition for civic engagement, ensuring that patriotism and service to the nation are valued alongside academic achievement. As the 60,000 young Burkinabe progress through their month-long immersion, they are taking a symbolic and literal step towards safeguarding their homeland. Their experiences during this period will likely shape their perspectives and roles in Burkina Faso's future, whether in education, public service, or community leadership. The patriotic immersion, therefore, represents more than a training program. It is a call to action for a generation to rise and contribute to a nation striving for peace, stability, and development. As this month-long patriotic immersion gains momentum, the voices of the young participants themselves bring to life the true spirit behind the program. Across the country, these 60,000 recent graduates, sitting shoulder to shoulder, are absorbing not just lessons, but a deep call to action, a call that resonates in their hearts and minds. One student reflected on how the program's message moved him profoundly. "I even felt like forcing myself to go and destroy the enemies because what they were saying really touched us deeply," he said. His words capture the raw emotion and determination stirring among his peers. They are ready, not just to learn, but to defend their homeland with unwavering loyalty, no matter the sacrifices required. This kind of commitment speaks volumes about the transformation underway. The government's insistence that the program is compulsory, no exceptions except for certain sensitive cases, signals the seriousness with which Burkina Faso is approaching this moment. For many, the word compulsory might feel heavy or even oppressive, but for the students, it's becoming a rallying cry. They understand that patriotism is not just an abstract idea. It is the very foundation on which their nation's future will be built. It's important to recognize the intelligence and awareness of these young people. They are far from being empty vessels to be filled blindly. Instead, they are thoughtful, passionate, and engaged. Many have expressed that this immersion is not about blind loyalty, but about understanding the country's struggles and forging a united path forward. The program aims to channel their energy positively, turning potential frustrations or fears into purpose and action. Some might call this intense patriotism brainwashing, but what Burkina Faso is doing is choosing to teach its youth to love their country, and to understand that true courage means standing firm rather than running away. This kind of positive shaping of mindset is crucial, especially in a time when external threats and internal divisions could easily sap morale. Physical training is another key part of the immersion. The students engage in rigorous exercises designed not only to build strength and endurance, but to foster teamwork, discipline, and resilience. These are qualities that will serve them well, whether on the battlefield, in their communities, or as future leaders. Sports and physical challenges also help build bonds among the youth. creating a sense of camaraderie that transcends ethnic or social divides. Alongside the physical, the theoretical curriculum digs deep into Burkina Faso's rich history and diverse culture, emphasizing the importance of unity and civic responsibility. Students learn about the country's past struggles, its hopes for the future, and the role they themselves play in shaping that future. Workshops on leadership and conflict resolution encourage critical thinking and personal growth, aiming to produce not just patriots but thoughtful citizens. The program's boarding environment, though strict, also allows space for reflection and dialogue. The youth are encouraged to voice their thoughts, hopes, and concerns, an important step in ensuring this isn't a one-sided lecture but a shared journey. This balance of discipline and openness is crucial in fostering genuine commitment rather than forced compliance. Interestingly, some participants have openly compared their experience to the stories of nations like China, which underwent its own rigorous shaping after World War II. What once might have been dismissed as brainwashing was, in fact, a powerful tool for national rebuilding and empowerment. Today, China's success stands as an example of what can happen when a nation invests deeply in cultivating unity, purpose, and resilience in its people. Burkina Faso's program also recognizes the need for inclusivity and compassion. Pregnant and breastfeeding young women are exempted, ensuring that the initiative respects individual circumstances while striving for collective progress. Beyond the walls of the training centers, the program has sparked conversations among families, communities, and national leaders. Many express hope that this effort will strengthen social cohesion and instill a renewed sense of pride across all regions and ethnic groups. By focusing on shared values and mutual respect, the immersion seeks to heal divisions and build a collective identity rooted in common purpose. The impact of this program is already visible in the eyes and attitudes of the youth. They sit with humility, listen attentively, and display a newfound seriousness about their roles as citizens. They're ready to carry the weight of responsibility, to defend their nation, to build peace, and to foster progress. As the country continues to grapple with jihadist violence and instability, this initiative offers a different kind of defense, a defense built on knowledge, unity, and civic pride. It reminds every Burkinabe that the strength of the nation lies not just in its armies but in the hearts of its people. For these 60,000 young graduates, the patriotic immersion is more than a program. It is a rite of passage, a transformative experience that will shape their lives and the future of Burkina Faso for years to come.